Here are 3 things I do every Sunday night to prepare for the trading week coming on Monday and the rest of the week. I trade Bitcoin and I trade Nasdaq on the markets on Monday. These are basically the 2 assets I trade every single day when market opens. And what do I do when I come to them? Since it's Sunday and it's a brand new week, I'll start from the weekly time frame and I'll get a handle of what kind of does the weekly time frame look like. As we can see, we've had a pretty big dump from previous week on Nasdaq, and Bitcoin also we've had a pretty insane wick and dump. What I'll do is I'll break down the weekly range. Where did price tap into? Were there fair value gaps? Were there order blocks? What is the current range of the weekly time frame? I'll mark out weekly highs and lows, and then I'll do the same thing on the day time frame. And then I'll check out like the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. Basically, I kind of get an understanding of, on a higher time frame, the day and the weekly time frame, what is going on in the market and how can I best prepare of what potentially could happen on Monday. Now, if you're a prop firm trader, here's the second thing I do every Sunday night to best prepare for my week. If you're a prop firm trader, you're probably doing evals, and what I always recommend setting up is 1, making sure you pay for your evals. If you're going to do one, you can use code Maniac. If you're trading on Apex, I'll get you 80% off your eval. I set up my profit target, so then if my trade tomorrow hits that level, it auto liquidates, so I don't even have to think about it. For example, here on my Apex account, I know on my 50K account, I need to make a minimum of $3,000 to get that eval pass. And so I have a daily profit trigger that if that account hits that level, it'll auto liquidate and I don't even have to do it myself. It'll just do it for me. Now, the third and one of the last things I like to do every single Sunday before I go to market on Monday is get my TRADECOPIER set up. I like to use TradeSyncer and TRADECOPIA. If you use code Maniac, TRADECOPIA gives you 35% off, TradeSyncer gives you 10% off, and I'll show you what I do. I make sure all my accounts are synced up and ready to go. Then I make sure my cockpit has the right things checked, right multipliers on, right contract size that it's going to be trading on. That way, when you get to market open, you don't even have to think about it. It's just ready to go. All you have to do is mark out session high lows, look out 5-minute, 1-hour ranges, and get ready for the market to do some fun stuff. All right, let me know in the comments if you have any more questions.